Hi, my name is Asuiken Kinsley, and in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to add a transition in your video footage. Maybe you're recording a video or you recorded 1 or 2, 3 videos from different environments and you want to edit it, but you want the video to slide into the next one. How you can put beautiful transitions in your video to make your video very beautiful and very attractive. How to put a transition. If you watch some part of this video, like if you're watching this video while I was making some demonstration in the video, let me play it through the headset directly. You see? So we are going to go. This is called transition. You can remove your video in style. Let's replay it and see. You can access your Facebook, YouTube, and every other thing, your files through the headset directly. So we are going to go over. See that move? That thing that happened there is called transition. I'm going to show you how you can achieve it in your video. So let's get this deleted first. And I'll go to this point. Before you put transition in your video, you must have to split that particular point. I mean, divide that particular point you want to put your transition. Assuming you want to add another video to an existing video, but it's not in the same environment, it's in a different environment. That is where transition is always good in a video. Now, if you want to add transition, this is transition. If you watch, I've divided this video now. Let me shift this so that you can see. Control Z, undo. Now let me put a transition 360 degrees before that one. 180 degree. Let's put, before we put transition, don't forget you have to split the video. Let's put like this kind of transition. Okay. So while you play this video now, it's in 180 degree. And when you put the two files together, you see, from here to here, 180 degree. And when you put the two files together, good. Let's try another transition. Let's try something different. Okay, let's try this one. 180 degree. And when you put the two files, you see, it's in 180 degree. And when you put the two files, so you can add transition at any particular point you want in a video. Maybe you want to join two videos together, one from a different background, and you want the video to animate before the other video comes in. You can use transition to bring in another video. Animate the video at any particular point you want. Transition is very lovely in video if you know the actual point where you can put it. So meanwhile, apart from these ones, there are so many other kind of transitions that you can put in your video. You can scroll down. Let's double click this one and see. You can scroll down. There are so many other new transitions from Filmora video editing software like these ones. Please, this video is not a sponsored video. These are new transition effects that you can add in your video. I like this. I like this one. Let's just cut here and put this transition and see the effects and how it applies on a video. Let's play it from this point. To do virtually any kind of video that we do on a, you can see there's another one. These are different kind of transitions. Let's try this in another place as well. drag and drop. Let's play and see. Together, it will become 360 degrees, which I will take you through in this particular. You can see how that brought in the second side of the video. It will become 360 degrees, which I will take you through. You can as well edit the duration of any of this transition. Once you drag it in, this is the transition. You can expand the duration or reduce the time duration in which the transition will appear in the video. You can double click on it. This one is 2 seconds. So 2 seconds, let's play it. Let's see how fast it goes before I will expand it. Records all the environments in real time. This is 2 seconds. You can double click on the transition, come to the edge of it, and reduce it. Now it's no more 2 seconds. Now it's like 18 milliseconds. Let's replay it to be faster now. Environment you can see it's faster. You can as well click on it and expand it very well. Let's expand it from here and let's play it from here and see. To be a little bit slow, let's play. But the good thing about this camera is it records all the environments in real time. This gets in 180 degrees and this gets in 180 degrees. You can see. So you can determine the duration of the transition you're putting in your video. So this is exactly how you can add any kind of transitions, any of these transitions to your video to make it more beautiful and more attractive. Please, if you're interested in learning how to brand any kind of image on Instagram wall, I'll be leaving my Instagram link in the description below this video in case if you're interested in learning how to brand any kind of image on an Instagram wall. If you have any question or if there's anything you would like me to create about video editing, please feel free to drop your comment or your question below this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and also the bell button and also to give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful to you in any way. You guys should stay safe.